Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with the hassle of salon visits or have been frustrated by the never-ending wait times, you're in the right place today. We're diving into the Flowbee Home Haircutting System Super Mini-Vac, a unique at-home solution that promises a salon-quality cut in minutes without the mess. But does it really deliver? Let's find out. The Flowbee Home Haircutting System Super Mini-Vac comes equipped with a clipper head, hose, and vacuum system, designed to give you a seamless, mess-free haircutting experience right at home. It's a budget-friendly alternative to those pricey salon appointments. The included Super Mini-Vac is a key feature, designed to consume less power while helping you achieve a smoother and more efficient cut. What's intriguing about this system is its ability to work with most vacuums, but you can also opt to purchase the Flowbee's own Super Mini-Vac for a more tailored experience. Now let's talk real-world experience. Using the Flowbee was surprisingly simple. The system attaches directly to most household vacuums, drawing your hair into the vacuum as it's cut, which means no hair clippings on your clothes, floor, or neck. It's designed for beginners, and I'll admit I was a bit skeptical at first. But to my surprise, I was able to achieve a clean, even cut without a trip to the salon. The clipper head is adjustable, allowing you to customize the length of your cut with ease. I found it smooth and efficient, even for a beginner like me. The vacuum system, it's quiet, lightweight, and really does what it promises, keeps everything clean. Maintenance was a breeze too. After each cut, all I had to do was detach the parts, clean the clipper head, and I was good to go. So what are the pros? First, the value for money. When you think about the cost of multiple salon visits, this system can quickly pay for itself. It's easy to use, works with most vacuums, and the vacuum feature makes the whole process nearly mess-free. It's also versatile enough for men's haircuts, and with a little practice, you could achieve professional-looking results right from home. However, there are a couple of cons to mention. While it's great for home use, it may not replace a professional stylist for those looking for more intricate styles or fades. The clipper head may feel a bit basic for some users accustomed to higher-end clippers. Also, the vacuum can be a bit bulky depending on your existing vacuum setup, so be prepared for a bit of trial and error when first using it. As for value for money, I'd say it's fair for what you get. For under $100, you get an efficient system that does the job without the constant need to visit the barber. If you're someone who cuts hair often or wants to save on salon trips, this system is a solid investment. In terms of build quality, the system feels sturdy overall. The plastic vacuum adapter is durable and the design is simple enough to maintain. There's nothing overly fancy about it, but it does what it's designed to do without frills. The 1-year warranty is also a nice touch, giving you peace of mind in case anything breaks during use. Now, if you're looking for cheaper alternatives, there are a few similar systems on the market, but they tend to lack the same vacuum feature that helps keep the mess to a minimum. If the price of the Flowbee seems a bit high for your budget, consider some of the other at-home clippers that come with basic attachments but don't have the vacuum system included. They might not keep things as tidy, but they'll still give you the control you need. To sum it up, the Flowbee Home Haircutting System Super Mini-Vac is a handy tool for those who want to cut their hair at home without dealing with a mess. It's straightforward, effective, and easy to maintain. While it may not replace a professional haircut for those seeking complex styles, it's perfect for basic trims and maintenance. If you're looking for an affordable, no-mess way to handle your haircuts at home, I'd say this is a solid option. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've used the Flowbee, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Do you love it or have you encountered any issues? We'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks for tuning in. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.